Hey guys, it's Fnat Guide, and today I'm going to show you how to edit and export 60 FPS video in iOS iMovie the right way. Let's get into it. Now, to start off, all you need to do is hit the plus sign on the top left. That's fairly straightforward. That's how to start a new project. Now, if you're making a movie or just editing a video, you just hit movie. Then I'm just going to use these as an example. I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit done. And just for now, I'm going to hit this icon in the middle and then hit save video. Being that it's fairly short, it shouldn't take too long. And I'm going to go check on that. Being that I made the silly mistake of not making an adjustment, it came out like this. 30 FPS and all that. Unlike this, one of the original files, which came out to be 60 FPS. So to fix what I demonstrated, you need to go back to here, options, and go down to frame rate, change that to 60 FPS, and then hit save video once again. And then forget that you ever made a 30 FPS video, because some people just neglect to do that. And then that'll take its time. It shouldn't take, this video that I'm showing you shouldn't take that long because it's only like a 25-minute video. It will depend on how long, one of the factors of the export time is the length of the video and also the resolution and the frame rate, of course. But anyway, let's go see what came into our camera roll. So, like I showed you, you do have to go through steps and processes in order to get it to do that. And I think that is a good thing that it has finally exported to 60 FPS, but there is one more step that I would like to go over before we end this video. So if we go back to iMovie, we will now go back to that same menu I went over, but we hit Save to Files. And then you can just save it to whatever video, whatever folder you want. In my case, I'm just going to save it to that folder I have already selected. We can just save it there. And then it should just save just like that because it's such a tiny file that you really don't have to worry about it. Okay, here it is in all of its glory. And next, we are going to save the video back to the camera roll, which shouldn't be a problem at all. So, we're now going to slide up on this. Unfortunately, this is not a working method. Just exporting into files and then saving it back to your camera roll. So, that is not a working method. So, if you want to actually save it directly from iMovie, then saving it directly to your camera roll is the best way to do it. So, Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.